Canada is a growing hub for Forex traders, and MetaTrader 5, MT5, is one of the most popular platforms used across the country. Whether you're new to Forex or an experienced trader, choosing the right MT5 broker is essential for success. In this video, we'll explore the best MT5 Forex brokers for Canadian traders in 2025. Here are the top MT5 Forex brokers for Canadian traders: FP Markets, Black Bull, 8Cap, Okta, FX Pro, IC Markets, FBS, XM, AXI, and Pepperstone. To open an account, check the link in the description. These brokers offer tight spreads, fast execution speeds, and access to a wide variety of instruments. Let's take a closer look. First up, we have FP Markets, a well-established Australian-regulated broker that is also available to Canadian traders. FP Markets provides access to over 10,000 instruments, including Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Their MT5 platform is packed with advanced charting tools, multiple order types, and lightning-fast execution speeds. Next, we have Black Bull Markets, a New Zealand-based broker with a strong presence in Canada. Black Bull offers ECN accounts with direct market access, ensuring tight spreads and fast execution. Their MT5 platform comes with advanced charting and analysis tools, perfect for both new and experienced traders. At number 3, we have 8Cap, a regulated broker offering commission-free accounts and low spreads. 8Cap's MT5 platform provides traders with powerful charting tools, advanced order types, and excellent customer support, making it a great choice for Canadian traders looking for an efficient and cost-effective trading experience. Next up is Okta, a broker that offers flexible leverage options and multiple account types. Okta's MT5 platform is user-friendly and comes with powerful charting tools, automated trading features, and low spreads. It's an excellent choice for Canadian traders who value versatility and precision. At number 5, we have FX Pro, a well-known broker with a global reputation for low spreads and outstanding customer service. FX Pro's MT5 platform includes advanced charting, technical analysis tools, and access to over 250 instruments, providing Canadian traders with the tools they need to execute their strategies efficiently. Next, we have IC Markets, a broker that offers deep liquidity and ultra-low spreads. IC Markets provides MT5 with ECN accounts and fast execution speeds, perfect for Canadian traders looking to trade with the highest level of efficiency. Their platform is ideal for scalpers and high-frequency traders. At number 7, we have FBS, a broker that offers a variety of account types with low minimum deposits. FBS provides access to MT5, which is great for Canadian traders looking to start with a smaller investment. The platform includes advanced charting and a range of educational resources. Next on our list is XM, a broker that offers competitive spreads and access to over 1,000 instruments. XM's MT5 platform is designed with advanced charting, automated trading options, and powerful market analysis tools, making it an excellent choice for Canadian traders. At number 9, we have AXI, a broker known for its tight spreads, high liquidity, and fast execution. AXI's MT5 platform is packed with advanced trading tools and charting features, making it a perfect fit for Canadian traders looking to execute precise trades with ease. Last but not least, we have Pepperstone, a broker trusted globally for its fast execution and low costs. Pepperstone offers MT5 with advanced charting, automated trading, and fast order execution, making it a top choice for Canadian traders who demand precision and efficiency. To recap, here are the top MT5 Forex brokers for Canadian traders: FP Markets, Black Bull Markets, 8Cap, Okta, FX Pro, IC Markets, FBS, XM, AXI, and Pepperstone. To open an account, check the link in the description. These brokers provide excellent trading conditions, powerful platforms, and everything you need to succeed in Forex trading. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest Forex tips and broker reviews.